With AI-generated content becoming more common, how do you ensure the authenticity of what you're reading or publishing? That's where AI content detection tools come in. Hi everyone, I'm Jade from Rapyd Cloud, the high-performance hosting your WordPress site deserves. AI content is rapidly changing the digital landscape, and while it's incredibly useful, it's important to know when content is AI generated. That's why AI content detection tools are essential. Whether you're a content creator, educator, or publisher, these tools can help you maintain content authenticity. Let's take a look at the top AI detection tools that will be making waves this year. Writer.com's AI Detector is a versatile tool designed for businesses and content teams. It allows you to check up to 5,000 words at a time, providing detailed reports on the percentage of AI-generated content. This is especially useful for content creators who need to fine-tune their work for originality while adhering to brand guidelines. What sets Writer.com apart is its integration into a broader suite of writing tools. Along with detecting AI content, it offers grammar suggestions and tone recommendations. Businesses looking to maintain a consistent voice while avoiding AI-heavy content will find this tool invaluable. GPTZero is a well-known AI content detection tool, particularly popular among educators. It's designed to detect AI-generated content from models like GPT, highlighting specific sentences where AI may have been involved. This tool is easy to use and offers detailed analysis, making it perfect for users looking for a quick and reliable way to check content. GPTZero also offers API and Chrome extensions integrations, making it accessible for those who want to incorporate AI detection into their workflow. Whether you're a teacher checking students' essays or a business owner reviewing blog posts, GPTZero is an excellent solution. Originality AI is an AI-powered tool that goes beyond just detecting AI-generated text. It also checks for plagiarism and helps with fact-checking. Its accuracy in detecting AI-written content, particularly from GPT 3.5 and GPT-4, makes it a top choice for publishers and agencies that need to ensure their content is both original and factually correct. Its Chrome extension allows for real-time checking, making it easy to ensure your content stays authentic. If you're managing multiple writers or publishing lots of content, Originality AI's detailed reports and fast results make it an invaluable asset. Copyleaks builds on its reputation as a plagiarism detection tool by offering AI content detection features. It's known for its high accuracy with a 99% success rate and support for over 30 languages. This tool is particularly useful for educational institutions and publishers looking to verify content across multiple languages. What makes Copyleaks stand out is its integration with various platforms through API access, making it easy to incorporate into existing workflows. It's an excellent choice for businesses, educators, and content creators who need to ensure their work remains original. Turnitin is a well-known tool in the educational sector, and its AI content detection features is seamlessly integrated into its plagiarism detection platform. This makes it a go-to for teachers and academic institutions looking to verify the authenticity of student submissions. Turnitin boasts a 98% accuracy rate, providing detailed reports that break down the percentage of AI-generated content. If you're an educator, Turnitin's reliable integration and high accuracy make it a must-have tool for maintaining academic integrity. ZeroGPT is a free, quick-use AI detector that is perfect for casual users who need to check small amounts of text. It's designed for speed and simplicity, making it an easy-to-use tool for bloggers, writers, and students. While it may not offer as many advanced features as some premium tools, ZeroGPT's accessibility and straightforward interface make it a great choice for those looking to quickly verify the authenticity of their content without a lot of complexity. Sapling is a tool that offers real-time AI content detection even on as little as 50 words of text. Known for its high accuracy in detecting GPT 3 and 4 generated content, Sapling is popular among businesses and marketers who need to check the authenticity of their work before publishing. Sapling's ease of use and fast results make it a practical tool for those working on tight deadlines, offering quick feedback to ensure content is human-made and high quality. AICheatCheck is another powerful tool designed to detect AI-generated content across multiple models, including ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. It offers real-time analysis with a high accuracy rate, helping users quickly determine the authenticity of their text. Its versatility and detailed reporting make AICheatCheck an excellent choice for anyone from content marketers to educators, ensuring that their content remains original and trustworthy. When managing content across your WordPress site, you need a hosting solution that's both reliable and fast. Rapyd Cloud's high-performance hosting ensures your website can handle AI content detection tools without slowing down. Whether you're integrating tools like Writer.com or Copyleaks, Rapyd Cloud's robust infrastructure provides the speed and security you need to keep your site running smoothly and your content authentic. Click the link in the description to learn more about Rapyd Cloud. There you have it, the top AI content detection tools this year. Whether you're an educator, content creator, or business owner, these tools will help you ensure your content remains genuine and trustworthy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on content management and hosting. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.